Hey everyone, Mrs. Borg here. I am going to show you real quick how to get onto Biblionasium and log those books for the challenges that we have. And hopefully I'll see a lot of participation. This will answer any questions you have. So you're going to click, after you log into the computer, obviously, you are going to click on Destiny. And once you're in Destiny, you are going to log in. And right here it says login. That's where you log in. And your username and password is the same exact thing that you use in order to sign onto the computer. So everyone should know that. And I had a student that was kind enough to let me borrow his so we can see it from a student view. And then you click submit. And your name should be right here to show that you've logged in correctly. Okay. Now I'm going to click on this hamburger menu right here. And I'm going to click on Biblionasium. And here is my Biblionasium. Now usually this little chimpanzee will have a little message for you. You can just X out of that. And now I'm going to show you how to put books on your bookshelf. So the first thing you're going to do to find your book is go to My Books. And right here, Wonder is already here. But let's say I want to add in another book. So I'll search for a book. Let's see, I will search, I know a lot of kids out there read Amulet, let's say number 8, and it's searching for that. Nope. Let's try another one. Let's just try Amulet. Okay, and here comes some Amulet books and some suggestions of other books. So let's do this one right here. So I'll click on the one that I want to add to my bookshelf. And I'm going to add it to shelf. Now in order to add it, I need to say, am I reading it? I want to read it, I have read it, or I own this book. I'm going to say I am reading it. All right, now in order to see that it was added to my bookshelf, I'm going to click on Back to Bookshelf. And look, right there it is. And the more books you read, the more your bookshelf will fill up with books, and it's kind of cool to see all the books that you've read. Okay, so now I have Amulet on my bookshelf. How can I log minutes in order to count towards the challenge? So for that, you go to Reading Log. And so it's telling me in order to log a book on the reading log, I have to have it in my bookshelf, and I know Amulet is on my bookshelf, so I can click Add to my reading log, and I'm going to select a book from my shelf, and there it is right there. And right here you'll fill in the number of pages or number of minutes. Now the challenge this month is for a certain number of minutes, so I want to click on the minutes one. But if it was like read 1,000 pages, then I would do the pages right here. Okay, so number of minutes, and I'm going to put in 25. And eventually when you finish the book, you can click on I finished this book, and then you click Save. So then it lists everything I've logged in my reading log, and you can see the Amulet right here, and I did it today. I did it for 25 minutes. Now if I want to edit this, I want to change how many minutes it was, or I want to delete it, you can click on those and you can edit and delete it. But now it's on my reading log. How do I get it to count for my challenge? Guess what? You already did, because you logged it on your reading log. So it automatically puts those minutes towards the challenge. But if you're curious, like how many more minutes do I have to read in order to meet the challenge, I can go to Challenges, and I can look and see right here that I have logged 70 out of 900 minutes for this challenge, and I have until February 28th to finish this challenge. So I need to get reading and get it logged in there. I know I have a lot of awesome readers here at Big Shanty, and I'd love to see you guys get these things logged in so that I can celebrate you and the reading that you're doing. You can do this here at school, and you can also do it at home. At home, you would go to the Big Shanty website, which is this website right here. You would go to the Big Shanty website, and if you scroll down right here, this is where you can log on to Destiny in order to log your minutes while you're at home. If you have any questions, or you're having a hard time, or technology issues, just come and talk to Mrs. Borg in the Learning Commons, and I'll be happy to help you. Thanks, everyone.